I'm gonna show you how you can create these captions that you see right now in only 3 or 4 minutes. These captions are awesome. Not only can you grab your attention very fast, but at the same time you can create these captions that you see right now very fast, okay? Usually in other softwares like Adobe Premiere, Adobe also DaVinci, like, you need some plugin, or it takes way more time to create captions. All right, it's a very daunting kind of like task, and it's simply not easy. Okay, so now without so many introductions, let's dive right into the video and let me show you what you have to do. Make sure you watch till the very end, watch this till the very end, and don't miss any part. And now let's jump right into this video. So the first thing that you have to do, step number 1, is to download CapCut. That's all you have to do. I mean, not that's all you have to do. You have to do more other stuff as well, but just download CapCut. Click on download for Windows from here. I'll leave this link of the link of this website in the description of this video. Here, click on save. And now wait for this to install. Okay, and now click on this file and let's open the file. Probably take a couple of minutes. This file is not very small, so it's gonna take a few minutes to download. Okay, now just open this file, install this file, and that's what you have to do. Now the next step is to open CapCut. So cut. Okay, click on start new. Probably don't have any projects here, or you might have some projects here that you worked on. And now let's click on start creating. This software is pretty powerful. Like, it's now you can't compare with other professional, but you can surely use it to create very interesting and powerful and creative and well edited videos on CapCut. So yeah, and it's free, and yeah, you have a lot of great and amazing options. So no, absolutely, it's a great option. If you just wanted something on the go, just edit your videos, it's very good. So now here, let's click on import and import your footage. Now for TikTok and Instagram and social media, make sure you click on here on original. You should see here we have original, but before doing that, we need to grab the video and drag it onto the timeline. And now we have the option to click on original, and make sure you select 9:6 for social media. And you can also actually only on website. If you do it on the website, if you edit your video on the website, here you'll have a couple of options here, but I'll create maybe another video for that. And now to create auto captions, what you have to do, you don't even have to write. That's the power. Everything is gonna create by itself, auto-generated. You'll auto-generate your captions. So click on text. Here we have auto captions. Select your language and then click on create. Now it's gonna take a few minutes, seconds, depends on the length of your video. Okay, and as you can see, the video has been generated, the caption has been generated, and now we have captions here. So what you have to do here is to increase font size. Okay, and here we can also scale if we want our font. So we have font size, increase, and scale. And from here you can change font. Click on here and we can change our font. I'll use this one, and maybe you want a particular font to use in your video. So what you can do is to click on here and then go here to 1001 fonts. from here you can download a lot of fonts that can be used for commercial use as well. As you can see, this one, where is it free for commercial use, this website, as well as this website I use personally, because you can also use it's for commercial use as well. You're allowed to use this font for any commercial project. So this one is 100% free. Click on free download. From here you can click on download, and then when you click on download, you should open this file, and here what you have to do is to right click on this and select here extract all, extract, and here click open the folder we just extracted, and here you have to click on this select install. Okay, and now when you go to CapCut, from here you should see your font you just downloaded. Okay, but make sure you can refresh, you can restart CapCut if you can't see or locate your font you just downloaded. All right, these are the fonts that are provided by CapCut, but here are the fonts you have on your computer. So as you can see here as well, system font. But from here, another things we have to do as well is to change here character, and we can also do like this, but we also have to decrease font as well a little bit. And now we can also preset style we have, and we also have here thickness for the text, right? We also have background, but I will not suggest you to use background because it doesn't look that great, and you really don't need background, but you can add background. As you can see, white background, any background you want, very accessible and really fast. You can also add shadow, and now as you can see, when you talk you're gonna have the text right there. And yeah, I hope this video helped you. I hope you learned something. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.